I pray He's going to forgive my shortcomings. I admit. That's why Sayyidul Istighfar is one of the most powerful du'as or statements of seeking forgiveness. Allahumma anta rabbi. Oh Allah, you are my Lord. La ilaha illa anta. There is none worthy of worship besides you. Khalaqtani. You made me. Wa ana abduka. And I am your slave. Wa ana ala ahdika wa wa'dika mastata'tu. I am upon your covenant, your promise, to the best of my ability. Abu'u laka bi ni'matika alayya. I admit without denying a single favor of yours upon me. Wa abu'u bi dhanbi. And I admit my sin. I'm acknowledging I'm sinful. I've made the sins. Faghfirli, so forgive me. فَإِنَّهُ لَا يَغْفِرُ الذُّنُوبَ إِلَّا أَنْتَ. Because there is no one besides you who forgives sins. That dua is known as Sayyidul Istighfar, the leader of the seeking of forgiveness. Subhanallah. So these words are powerful. Learn them. When you go home, you can search Sayyidul Istighfar and learn those words and repeat them to Allah with conviction every day. Oh Allah, forgive me. And you know, I've admitted you've gifted me with so much. You've blessed me with so much, and I admit that I was wrong and I committed sins. Sins I know, sins I don't know. I was saying moments ago, two types of sin. One is the minor. The minor is forgiven just by you doing good deeds. But the major, you need to seek specific forgiveness. Oh Allah, I did this specific sin. I regret it. I will not do it again. Forgive me. Oh, conditions are met. What's the conditions? The conditions: you admit, regret, seek forgiveness of Allah, and promise not to do it again.